DJI Mavic 3 low light test. Got that coming up next. Build a Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. One of the things that I was very excited about with the DJI Mavic 3 was its low light capabilities. So the other evening I was able to get up during sunset and be able to utilize those low light capabilities. Let's take a look and see how that came out. Question of the day. What do you think of my DJI Mavic 3 low light test? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.